What's up, YouTube community? I'm Big Man Spud playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Do some fishing. And the place I'm at is right here. It's Ring Neck Creek. You should know as the mission of, I think it's Javier. I forget telling the truth. It's been a couple minutes I was playing that mission. When you go fishing with one of your buddy in the, well, anyways, I was catching some bass, smallmouth bass in this pond, and I'm going to catch some more for the camp. He told me to use crickets. Let's see where we can get out of here. That's what I used to do. I move it twice, and they should bite at any time. Ooh, got one already. Let me let him move a while. Let him move some more. Tow him out. That's not exactly the one I was fishing for. I'm gonna put that one back. I guarantee you, there's bass in this place here. Sometimes you just catch one you don't want. I'm gonna face this way. Maybe they are over this way. I move it twice. It should be biting at any time. Move it 2 more times. Aha! I got one. Got another wheel in while it's moving. By the way, I do love this game. Oh, well, how about that? A bluegill. Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna keep that one. I'm gonna give this to. I've been giving the camp, Arthur's camp pals some fish for their meals too. And yes, go on this side here. Ooh, I gotta bet the hook for us. That's my second fish that is caught, the bluegill. Move it twice. I got something to hook there. I like something small. Yep. Well, I got a walk bass. That counts. 1 pound and 8 ounces. I'm gonna keep it anyways. The camp needs it. Go with some more crickets. Yes. Go over there. Well, I think that was a bit too close. Ah, that's much better. Twitch it 2 times. I do that every time. Ooh, almost has one. Do it 2 more times. Every time I do that, I usually get one.
Now fishing. That's some.
Then move around a bit. And move around again. I don't even try to control the fishing pole. There's the one I was talking about. Oh, that's a nice one. 4 pounds and 3 ounces. Smallmouth bass. Y'all give me a sec. I'm gonna zoom on all that information. Well, anyways, there's the one I was talking about. I'm gonna fish some more for the camp. I do a lot for the authors camping pals and camping sisters. Oop. Get some more bait here. Got one more cricket.
This could work. Let's see if anything's biting.
About to find out. Twitch 2 times. I don't know why they like that, but they let me, move the pole 2 times like that. Oh, there you go. Ooh, look. Ooh, it's coming towards me. Coming towards Arthur, actually. Where we get this time? That's why this video is nothing but fishing. Well, how about that? 1 pound and 10 ounce bluegill. And that's pretty nice. Still gonna keep it. The camp needs more to him. Okay, let's try a different bait. How about some worms?
Maybe.
See what that could catch me. I love this location to catch some fish. Move it 2 times. I don't know what it is, but they love me doing that.
Oh,
Ooh.
I got you.
I usually stop it 1, 2, 3 times on this. Sometimes 2 times. Sometimes 3 times. That was 2 times there. Ooh.
Got you, partner.
That's a redfin. I'm not sure how you say it, but I'm gonna give it a try. Picker. Well, I can't really say it, but he's 1 pound, 4 ounces. Still gonna keep it.
You're mine. Let's try something new.
Let's fish on this side again. Oh, that was too close. Ah, that's much better. Move it twice. Last fish for this video. What can I get this time? Move two more times. Oh. Almost have one. Just a moment here. It's gonna come eventually. Ah, get one. Ooh, move it pretty nicely there. And I let it move again. just trying to get him, that fish trying to get himself tired. Ooh, that's a nice one there. My goodness, look at that fish.
What are you?
4 pounds and 2 ounce smallmouth bass. Last one, and I'm gonna keep it.
You're staying with me.
You want to know again? It's same place, right there. You will catch fish every time. Until next time, I'm Big Mess Bud.